This is our cute turtle pearl cage. It's called a turtle, but I like to call it a cute turtle because we also have a sea turtle, but this one to me is definitely a cute little tortoise walking along. This is designed by RJS, so it has our artist stamp right there, RJS. This is silver plated. It holds one pearl. I am having difficulty today. Let's see. You can usually pop these open with your fingernails, but I have gel nails. They're a little thicker than a typical nail, so it makes it a little harder for me to open a pearl cage. These are normally very easy to open. Look at that. It shows the pearl so well. So cute. Oh yeah. This one has crystal eye accents. So pretty. I like when the artist accents it with crystals. A lot of pearl cages that designed by other companies don't use crystals because they are expensive to use, but you know, they just add a little extra glitter to the cage. I love them. If you are interested in this pearl cage, you can find it on our website at aosdesign.net. You can also find them in our eBay and Etsy stores, with our store name being AOS Design. Thanks for watching.